guys, this is Momentum, your host, and first of all, welcome to the YouTube channel of Forex Planet. Hope you are all doing good. So if you are new, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification every time we will upload a new video. So basically this is a very long video because we are trying to cover almost 6 topics in this video such as oil, Euro USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, natural gas as well as gold. So starting from the crude oil, as you can see, this is the chart of crude oil, and if you can clearly see the screen, then this is a head and shoulder pattern. As you can see, I think my system needs to restart, so let's wait for a few seconds. I don't know why the arrow head is not working. Okay, let's go. This is the chart of oil according to H4 candle, and as you can see, this is a structure called as head and shoulder pattern. As you can see, okay, this is the head and shoulder pattern as you can see in the video. And every time when market came here, for example, first time it test this zone, red zone, buy, more buy, sell, more sell, and again it has successfully tested the area. So this red zone is a very important structure for us. If market it already has tested this zone, if somehow the market fall, it will make a double bottom zone here, then you can take again a buying entry because this is the buying area we have right now. The second buying area we will have this structure almost $3 away. I mean $3 away. Okay, so now we have 78.13 value, and if market somehow break this structure, it will test this 75.9, almost $2 area. So you can take a buying entry from this structure, but most valid buying entry will be from that red line structure, and it will again in the buying pressure. So as you can see the chart according to H4 candle, and if somehow we move the chart to daily candle, then we will have different structure such as like that. If you can see clearly there, we have a this trend line here, but if market go more sell, then at least we have to wait for this 80 area. It will retest again the 80 area, and this is the structure we have again. According to this structure, the two areas we have for selling, but as you know, market already fall, so we don't expect more sell here due to war, as Israel is attacking, invading on the Rafah. So basically market will retest this 77 76 area. This is a major buying area. Let me draw the structure again. These are the buying area. This is the buying area, almost $2 to $3. If market is reverse here, then the first area we will have again this area almost 82 level. So this was all about oil. Hope this video was very informative for you, and if you have any question, you can ask us below the video and you can comment us. So basically let's remove the oil pair and let's talk about the new pair, Euro USD. This is the pair of Euro USD, and as you can see, this is the chart of last week. In the last week when market was here, it is almost 4 H4 candle. Market was here. I told you that it will move in this triangle structure. If somehow Euro USD is able to break the structure, then we will have again long time buying area. Okay, so as you can see, market just test my trend line and it go away, and it is again trying to break this trend line, but again and again testing this trend line. So again we have this trend line, so triangle area. Market can make here a small pushback till 1.07, and again then you can take a buying entry. We are hoping for a breakout of the triangle structure, and the first target we will have will be first resistance level, this area. Okay, so this was all about Euro USD according to H4 candle. A new structure I can clearly see in the Euro USD according to the H1 candle. So let's move to H1 candle so we can find many other opportunities. This is the H1 candle, and as you can see, this area is acting as a resistance. For example, this area is acting as a resistance area, sorry, support area, and this area is acting as a resistance area. Market is trying to break this structure, but it is unable to break that. So here we have a new support area. If I draw the structure, for example, this is the area. For example, I have just draw. The market can make a little pushback, little pullback till this area. If market tests this area, then you can again take a buying entry. And after moving almost 1 to 2 days in this structure, market will surely break this structure, and we will have a new area. 1.85 will be the this line area. The market trying to break, market already break this structure on a very strong news. So this was all about Euro USD. Hope this video was very informative for you. We are in the buying bullish pattern of Euro USD. If you have any confusion, you can ask us in the comment section, or you can message us. Besides this, if you want to join our Telegram channel, you can join it without even spending a penny or a cent. So just you can convert your IB to our IB, and you can enjoy our free premium VIP services. This is the chart of GBP USD, and as you can see, this is the trend line of the last week. And again, I told you market will break this, and after breaking this, it will retest here. Again, you can see this structure. This is simply known as head and shoulder pattern. Okay, this structure is known as head and shoulder pattern, as you can see. So head and shoulder pattern is a very strong confirmation of buying. So we have again a support level here, like that. This is the new support level GBP USD is making. So when somehow market is able to break this structure, and it already had broken that structure, so when it will test this trend line or this area maybe, then you can again take a long term buying entry. And our first target will be this first resistance level, which is almost $15 away. So this was all about GBP USD. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. And let's move to H1 chart of GBP USD. So as you can see, no movement in the GBP USD according to H1 candle. Simply buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling, buying, selling. The market is making a zigzag structure. So one thing I am observing here, this area, for example, this area is very important. Almost from the last 7 to 8 days, market is rejecting this area, and after that it is going up. So as I have already told you, here my trend line is meeting blue trend line on this area. Market will make a pull back here, and when market tests this area, you can take a buying entry, and your first target will be 1.266. So which is almost, this is the moment of $12 to $14. Hope this pair and this video, this is very informative for you. So let's move to GJ. This is the GJ pair. As you can see, this is the structure shared by me last week, and we have already hitting 2 TPs. As you can see, this is the trend line. Market just tested my trend line and moving away. So we are again in the buying state of GBP JPY. Let's remove this area so we can analyze it more deeply. So basically, these are the structures in the GBP JPY. Market can make a strong pullback, and after testing this area, it will again fall back. So GBP JPY will move in such a pattern. If market somehow is able to break that blue line, then we are hoping it for more buy till this area 200.5. So this was all about GBP JPY. If you have any confusion, you can ask me once again. And let's move to natural gas. This is the chart of natural gas, and we have to talk here along because natural gas is a very volatile pair. So if we draw a trend line, buying to buying area and selling to selling area, like that, so we will get this structure. Market is moving almost 3 to 4 days in that structure, and if I draw a new area, then we will have this area. But what about this gap? Here we have a gap. What about this gap? So as you can see, here we have a gap. Market is trying to make a pull back here. So what about this gap? When will market fill this? And we have a new confirmation. Let's move to daily chart. Let me show you why market was in the bullish state. Basically, we have a gap here almost at February. 3 months ago, market created this gap and successfully it has filled its gap. Okay, so this was all about to fill a gap. As you can see in the chart, market just tested the gap area and it is falling. Okay, so we can see clearly a daily rejection as well as support level, and when market become a strong rejected, and this is the new area, sorry, 2.1. okay, this is the known as resistance as well as support area, and when the area becomes resistance as well as support, market push it very strongly. So let's move to H4 candle. So we can take a look on H4 candle. As you can see, market have successfully refilled its big gap that almost created 3 months ago, and this gap almost created by the market 15 to 16 days ago. So as you can see, market break this, test this, break this, test this. So we can clearly see market after retesting this area will fall to that structure. If market hold here like it did in the past, as you can see 5 to 6 candle, then you can take again a buying entry. If somehow market break this structure, then will be ready for this gap refill. Okay, so we are in the selling state of natural gas. If you have any confusion, you can ask us in the comment section. And finally, let's talk about gold. This is the gold pair, and as you know, the gold is just mad. It already showed a very dangerous movement. And let's talk to H1 candle. We have 3 to 4 structures in the gold that I would like to share with you. This is the first structure we have in gold, and this is the second structure that we have in gold. Okay, these are the two levels that already market moving, selling, buying, selling, buying, 50% buying, selling, and 100% buying. So if market want to move more up, then market have to break this trend line area. So this is a weak structure. As I told you, this is a weak structure, so you can just follow it for the scalp, not for the big bullish movement. According to H4 candle, this is a strong structure, as you can see again, but we have not a very good support level here, so market can make again a pullback to the upside direction from that point. This is the area of almost $2 to $3, 23602, 2354. So if market again and again will reject this area, then after breaking the triangle, after breaking the trend line, sorry, we have the new target for the gold will be in the bullish state 2398. This will be the movement of almost $30+, 38 exact dollars. And if gold move this structure, then we will have again this buying level 2427. Maybe gold this time will break its all-time high position because this is moving in a very strong buy momentum due to war. If somehow market is managed to break its red zone area, then this will be the again buying area 2 3 4 5 area. Market will retest this and again it will be in the buying state. So we are hoping for the buy momentum in the gold. As you can see, gold is not following or not respecting any support as well as resistance. This is the one structure that I already have drawn. If somehow market is not able to break this structure, then we can see clearly a selling till this level, its first support level, which is an area of almost 2321. But after that, market will again in the buying position. So buying is not risky, selling is. You can find the buying opportunities in the gold, not selling. If you have any sell trade, you can contact us. We will surely help you to get rid of that trade. So this was all about all the pairs such as gold, GBP, JPY, USD. If we move to daily candle, let's take a look at daily candle. Again, the same structure, market just tested its all-time high trend line. This trend line, as you can see, very important. To go more up, market has to successfully break this area, which is an area of almost 2378. If market break this area, then we were hoping for more buying, maybe a new all-time high. So if you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can join our free VIP channel. Hope this video was very informational for you. We are trying to give many knowledge to you. If you are able to understand, then this will be the fruit of our hard working. If you have any question, just ask, or you can comment below the video, or you can talk to us on the our Telegram channel. Thank you very much. Take care.
Forex Planet.